always gone when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now?
Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today is a very exciting video because I've been waiting such a long time to film this video. I have not been able to use this palette for a while and I was super bummed out about that. But I was finally able to film this video and I am finally able to use it. And here it is. This is the Lovelies Los Angeles NUDIE PATOOTIE bundle. So this is the little PR package that I received from Lovelies. I'm just playing. No, I don't receive any free PR. So I bought this bundle myself. This bundle costs $72 and it comes with the palette and the 3 liquid lipsticks, which I was super excited to try. Ta-da! And it looks like this. And how pretty is this? Also comes in with Lovelies' picture and she looks so gorgeous on here. How pretty is she? Oh my gosh. And then the back, of course, shows the palette and the 3 liquid lipsticks. And to be honest, I wasn't really that interested in the palette when it first came out. I was super interested in the liquid lipstick. So I was set on buying just the liquid lipsticks. But when she came out with this bundle deal, it was $72 for the palette. I think the palette itself was already like 40 something dollars. And then the bundle of the liquid lipstick bundle was like $38 or something already. I got it. I'm super happy about it and I am super happy. And I created this look using this palette. So just open it up in here for you all. So this is the beautiful palette right here. Comes with a nice size mirror. You can see I've already used some shades on here. So I'm creating my look with this already. And then I have the 3 liquid lipstick on here. We have Topless, I believe. This one is Topless. Yep. We have a Topless Jaybird and Nakey over here. So yeah, I tried everything on. I'm super happy with the way everything turned out. So I love it so much. You guys would like to see me create this look using this beautiful bundle from Lovelies Los Angeles, then please continue watching. Let's jump into the makeup look and the box that came in this beautiful packaging. I just love it so much. Oh my gosh, so pretty right there. I haven't been using this palette because I've been waiting to do this video. So here I am finally able to do the video for you all. And let's jump into a makeup look using this palette. So let's first start off with the shade Bear. It's a nice peachy shade. Going in with my Morphe R38 brush. I'm going to be using this as the transition shade. It's pretty pigmented, I like that. With my M433 brush from Morphe, I'm going into Nakey. It's a nice chocolatey shade. I'm just going to be putting that on the outer corners of my eyes. Just going to bring it inwards as well. I'm going to be smoking it out. But it's super easy to blend. Same thing to the other side. With a flat brush, I got this from Tarte. It's one of Tarte's holiday brushes. I'm going to dip it in my soft ochre paint pot from MAC. I'm just going to cut the lid. I'm going to do it right in the beginning of the lid. I'm going in with the flat shader brush. I'm going to first start off with the shade Uncover. It's like a nice shimmer white shade. I'm just going to start off by putting that inner towards the center of the shade. Same thing to the other side. Alright, and the next shade I'm going in is Jaybird. This shade is so gorgeous. I just love it so much. I'm just going to be applying that right in between the Uncover shade and Nakey Nakey. So gorgeous. The shade doesn't really require like being wet, which is awesome because honestly I don't really like to wet the shades just because I don't really want to ruin the eyeshadow, you know. For the face, let's go into primer. So I'm going in with my really used up Cover FX primer. This is the blurring primer from Cover FX, and I use a ton of it because it just helps my pores disappear. It just really blurs out my skin. Alright, so jumping into concealer, I have my NARS concealer. Let's go ahead into foundation. My Maybelline 24-hour foundation. Moving on next to my concealer, and this is the Makeup Revolution concealer. It's used specifically for my under eyes, as I have mentioned numerous times. Next we have, this is the Morphe 8L Lo-Fi Highlight and Contour Palette. We have the contour palette right here, super pretty. And I am going to contour with Debutante. I'm going to put it in the usual spot. I'll be using my Luminoso blush from Milani. Do some bacon underneath. Okay. Let's go work on some brows and we'll be back. Alright, so brows are done and I took my baking off and I added black eyeliner on the top of my eyes for lashes, and I will be going in with the Morphe Chummy Premium Lashes, and it's super pretty. Alright, so lashes are on and I actually really like these. So they're like super long, which I really like, and they're also like wispy, so I feel like it's not too overpowering my eyes. Well, at least I feel like it's not. Go and finish the bottom lashes, going into Bare. Going in with the shade Buff. It's like a nice brown shade. Use my Marc Jacobs eyeliner, the shade Pink of Me, and you already know the drill. That is going on the waterline. For the inner corners, I will be going into Undress. That is going in the inner corner. I am thinking of going in with either Supernova or Cosmic. Where is my highlighter brush? Go ahead and start off with Supernova first. This one right here. Let's put that right on the cheek. Nice shade. Go and spray ourselves with Continuous setting mist from Morphe. Oh, I just love the setting spray. So let's go and apply the lipstick on. And then these are the shades right here. 3 nude shades, which I love. And I love this packaging. It's super cute. A lot of people were complaining that it was kind of sharp in the top, which I would have to agree. You might accidentally like poke yourself with it and it does hurt. But other than that, packaging is super cute. Love that it has the Laura Lee little logo up here. These smell super delicious. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start. What we have is Nakey. So you can definitely see that this is definitely like a beige, more lighter shade. Oh my god, yes, you can definitely tell. This smells so delicious. And this is Nakey for you, and it is definitely Nakey because it really looks super light, really pale. Yeah, it looks super pale. Right, this next one is Topless. It's a nice pinky nude. Here is Topless. It's a nice pinky nude. This is like the nude that I would wear on a daily basis. This is Jaybird. This is the darkest one out of these liquid lipsticks. It's like a nice mauve tone color, which is my favorite. Alright guys, and that concludes this video. I love the makeup look that I created using this gorgeous palette from Laura Lee Los Angeles, the NUDIE Patootie palette. I love it so much. I think it blends really nicely and it's just so pretty. I love the way everything turned out. I love the lipsticks. They're all nude lipsticks and I just love my nudes. So I'm definitely so happy that I'm able to add this to my collection. I love the smell of the lipstick. Is so good. And the shades are just super pretty. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please, if you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.